you to protect me from this.
I just don't want you to be crushed by them.
What it sounds like.